Joyful day. Everybody has got so much of desires in their life. What is a desire? First and foremost, desire is not a gross structure or something that we call, this is a car I desire, this is money I desire, that amount of money what we can see and touch, that doesn't become a desire. Desire first and foremost is a feeling. When that feeling gets totally transformed, that desire has got the power to attract. That is what the completeness of desire is all about. So, are you very good in desiring things? Because desire is very powerful. Why desire is powerful? Again, when you look back, and look the entire world who are following the roots of Indian knowledge, Indian ancestors' powerful principles as a knowledge. A lot of people are following that, and one of the principles says law of attraction. And what is law of attraction? Law of attraction is operating from the power of absorption. What is power of absorption? It is operating from the power of your desires. Power of your desires. So the desire itself has got a power. In the level of your consciousness, desire itself has got a power, and our ancestors are so wonderful in being in the flow of that power so well. They were performing so well, and things were happening and getting arranged on its own. That is what desire is actually. What is greed? The next question is, am I greedy? I am wanting this thing, that thing. Am I becoming greedy? What is greed? Many people think, if I want 10 crores of rupees and now I am asking for 50 crores of rupees, then I am a greedy person. No, that doesn't mean. It's your want, it's your wish, it's your desire. If you are genuinely desiring, it must come as a manifestation, because by nature, desire itself is so powerful, and one of its power is it is destined to live you. The desire itself is destined to live you. But what is desire? Everything that you feel deeply becomes a desire. Everything that you feel deeply becomes a desire. So that faculty of feeling has got so much of power. So much of power. So we should be really very good in that. But what is a greed? Wanting more is not greed. But what is really greed is, if a person is wanting something and is not living it before having it, that is what greed is. Many people, what they do, they are wanting car, they are wanting this thing, that thing, they are wanting money, but they are not living it vibrationally. Unless and until what you want is not lived by you before the happening of it in your vibration, it doesn't become a manifestation as a physical reality, period. That's a law. And if somebody is not doing that and wanting things in the hands, that is what greed is all about. The person is greedy. So learn to live your desires in your vibrations before the happening of it, which all the successful people and great visionaries are really very good. They are very good in feeling what they cannot look at. Normal people, what they cannot look at, they cannot feel it, and unless and until you don't feel and transform it into a vibration, it doesn't manifest as a reality. Simple. So live well all your desires so well, acquire those knowledge and live them well. Make your life very easy. Nice talking to all of you. Much appreciation. See you.